Okay, so here's a really short audio-based course for those of you interested in exploring card for beginners. Ostensibly, this is not going to cover many high-end concepts. I have a whole course on marketing and building your brand and business with card as an agency. This is just, an introduction to some of the questions that I'm getting on YouTube, via email, and even by some folks who've recently signed up for the card marketing course, 10x Your Agency in 2024. All right, so what is card? And I'm doing this extemporaneously, by the way. I'm not reading from a script. So I'm just going to, tell you exactly, what I think about all these questions kind of in real time without any planning. All right, so Card is a software as a service, SaaS, that is available via a browser. So you're logging in to Card. You're not downloading anything. And essentially, it's a canvas for creating landing pages, MVP style, products and projects. It's, again, ideally suited for one-page style websites, although, of course, you can build many multiple page style websites with stores and all that sort of stuff, as I've covered ad nauseum in many of the videos I've recorded on Card. But at bottom, Card is a software as a service that you log into via the portal, and then you start creating pages and sites and anything that you're aspiring to do from within that container. All right, question number 2. Does Card have templates? They do. So they have a series of free templates and pro templates, with the exception being, or the difference being, at least on the ones that Card themselves has on the platform, you don't have to pay for those, but you do need to pay for a Pro or Pro Plus account to use some of the features in the Pro and Pro Plus themes and templates. So the things that you may want to upgrade to get access to are things like forms, like email opt-in forms, stuff like that has a little bit more, kind of utility and functionality. And, the very basic free landing pages, excuse me, on Card, generally, while attractive, have limited utility outside of very, very kind of, sort of bare bones landing pages for like a personal profile or something. Now,